right now we have a session wherein we want to, if anybody wants to share their opinion or experience during search session.
There are things that everybody teaches. There are lots of courses doing the same thing. So what is different with the EE course? And I have that memory and it is still very fresh in my mind. 2011, I was doing my entrance exam preparation. My convocation schedule was also on the same lines with the EE course date. And I couldn't attend some of the session. It was a long session back then. It was not a short mini T20 session. It was 4 months session back then. And I missed 3 or 4 session. So I got a call 4 or 5 months after the course finished. And he said that these are the exercise that is remaining. And we are planning for a certificate ceremony next week. So before I give you a certificate, just make sure you come back and finish the exercises that are left. So that is one thing that, just remained in my mind for a very long time, that even in his busy schedule and everything that he's after, he still these little things in his mind that it has to be done. So thank you so much for that.
Dr. Priyanka, you may unmute it from your end.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Priyanka Jha. The main reason to give a feedback right now is before EE, I was knowing little bit about the rotaries, but after attending sir's course, it was like to know the science behind each file, each system. There are many courses going on in different areas and everyone has some or the other things. But what I especially liked about this course was sir was not stuck to only the science, but sir was even explaining and comparing the things with different companies and the different systems that everyone doesn't do. Means they will tell you the principle of the rotaries and they will say, go and start by yourself. But sir was main about it's not just about the rotaries but different company what they are giving the specialty and what is the drawback of each thing and what you must take care about was explained very clearly, so that it's not one thing, but when you go to market to purchase the system, you know what all the things are there, you already have a back idea about these things. That was the main reason I would recommend EE to everyone. Thank you sir for your education.
Thank you, Dr. Priyanka. Next, I see Dr. Hedshri also wants to speak. I have unmuted him.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Hedshri. Before EE, even I was practicing doing root canals, but after attending the sessions with sir, I guess perspective of root canal was changed for me totally. So I'm really thankful to Dr. Hemel sir as he introduced to rotaries and different kind of systems, and obviously microscopic dentistry. So I recommend EE to everyone for root canals, definitely. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Hedshri. Anybody else? Sure, Dr. Vyomesh.
So I'm the first first batch student of Dr. Hemel sir. I'm his cousin brother also. So I have just practiced for 6 months at Post Regi Dental Clinic before starting my practice. And Hemel, we know that I am practicing in 6 months. So whatever I learned at that time, I am living at Bhopal. At 8 a.m. in the morning, I am leaving from my home, and at 11 p.m. I will reach at my home. So through 6 months of journey from Bhopal to Maninagar, practicing all the 20-25 patients a day and going back to the home at 11 p.m. tonight. So whatever I'm today, I've learned is only from Post Regi Dental Clinic, and thank you so much being a fruitful mentor for me.
Thank you, Doctor. It's Dr. Vishwa, you may.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Vishwa. I've attended the endodontic course of Advanced Academy of Endodontic Education conducted by Dr. Hemel Shah. I was in 22nd batch. The training was really a good experience, I can say, but I had boosted up my confidence level in almost all dental procedures, especially root canal treatment. The course was really matlab, life-changing experience for my dental practice. Um Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anybody else? Dr. Krunal Trivedi, I'm supposing you also want to share. Yes. You may unmute it from your end. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. I think I am the second most senior after sir. And when I completed my BDS in 2009, I started my practice in the same year after 6 months of completion. In initial 1-2 years, I do RCT, but when I joined the course, first time I came to know about the Apex Locator, how it works. I bought Apex Locator while my course was going on, and root canal became so easy. Then after 6 months, I bought rotary, and root canal was not a headache at all. So dentistry become very easy if your endo work is good. So I'm really very thankful to Dr. Hamel sir and Dr. Sejal ma'am also, because at that time ma'am was also coming, and I learned a lot from both of them. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. Anybody else?
Hello, my name is Dr. Anjali. I'm 23 years old. I have working experience of 1.5 years. I had joined Dr. Hemal's course for basic knowledge of root canal treatment. Sir has taught each and every aspect of root canal treatment so nicely. The course itself covers from basic anatomy to re-RCT cases. Also, during this course, we came across so many new products and equipments and also got a chance to try them by our own. For a beginner who is just like me entering this field, I will definitely recommend this course.
RC want to share something. Dr. RC
Yeah,
Gandhi.
Dr. RC, you may speak now.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Jeffrey. Hi, I'm Dr. R.C. Gandhi, and I would like to tell something, Dr. Hamel sir. First, I was a student of the 22nd batch of the AAE, and because the course was a window of the lot of the clarity of the endodontics, and he covered from the simple basics to advanced endodontics. Every session was very much simple from me to understand personally, and I really appreciate how he individual attention to each and every student. And also, even after the course, he gives whenever I stuck in the endo, he gives his knowledge every time. The experience with the microscope was the best, and it was really amazing session. So overall, I really like the course, and I would recommend this course to anyone who is a fresher or even a practitioner who needs improve their experience in endodontics. Thank you.
Thank you, RC.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Charmi Suthar. I had joined AAE workshop in 2020. My all doubts related root canal treatment are cleared in this workshop. Now I can do all cases related root canal treatment confidently and easily. Everything included in this workshop like post and core, MTA, suture techniques, rubber dam placement, and also introduction of microdentistry. I will definitely recommend everyone who wants to learn basic to advanced techniques related root canal treatment. I would like to say thanks to Dr. Hemal Shah and his team. It was a wonderful experience to learn from them. Thank you.